How to add Solana to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Solana to your CoinMarketCap portfolio easy and fast. First thing, go to the app. Now go to your portfolio down here. This is my portfolio. As you can see, I have Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. Now I want to add Solana. All what you have to do is click here on add new asset. If you didn't find this option, you can click here in the top and it will take you to this page. Now right here, choose Solana. As you can see, if you didn't find it, search for it here in the search bar. Click on it and now click on USD so you can choose how much coin that you want to buy per dollar. I'm gonna choose, for example, $200 and click add transaction. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.